Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Binance to Google Authenticator. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. First, make sure that you are logged into your Binance account. Tap Open Binance application and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, go and tap on your profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner. Scroll down under Security and tap it on. At the top of the screen under Two-Factor Authentication, you'll be able to see an option that says Binance/Google Authenticator. Give it a tap and tap on the toggle button right next to Binance Google Authenticator. You'll need to download Google Authenticator application for your smartphone. Tap on the link that says Download Google Authenticator. Open up your Google Play Store and make sure you download Google Authenticator from Google LLC. Now, once you are done with the download, tap on the link button to link your Binance account. Go through the Authenticator instructions. Now, on the next page, you'll be able to see a backup key displayed on the screen. Save this key on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. In case you lose your device, the key will allow you to recover your Google Authenticator account. Tap on the copy button and tap on link. Now, simply open up your Google Authenticator application and tap on the plus button at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on Enter a setup key. Type in your account name into the first text box. And now, type in your key that you recently copied. Now, after you are done typing in your key, tap on the Add button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see 6-digit code. Simply tap it on. Now go back to Binance application and type in your code that you just copied. Now, you'll need to enter the mobile verification code sent to your mobile number. To receive the code, tap on Send Code. Wait for the code to arrive on your mobile number. Simply enter the code that you received into the second text box. Now, you'll also need to type in email verification code on the next field. Tap on Send Code in order to receive the email verification code and you'll receive an email from Binance. Type in the code that you received via email and finally tap on Submit. Finally, after you do that, you'll be able to enable Google Authenticator on your Binance account. After enabling the Google Authenticator, you'll need to enter the verification code while logging into your account, withdrawing funds, etc. to verify your identity. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.